A knife passes through a soft pouch of Pollock Roe. Thousands of tiny eggs appear inside, packed together like glowing orange beads. Nearby, finished packs move beneath ceiling heads in perfect rows. This is Myeongnan, one of Korea's most distinctive seafood delicacies. Its rich taste begins with something extremely fragile. A thin membrane must survive freezing, transport, washing, salting, seasoning, and packaging without tearing apart. One careless movement can ruin the entire piece. Yet inside a modern Korean factory, large batches are processed with remarkable speed and control. To understand how this delicate roe becomes a polished retail product, we must leave the packaging line and return to the coldest part of the factory. The process begins with sealed cartons arriving from the fishing industry, carrying frozen Pollock Roe that still looks very far from the finished delicacy.
Workers examine the changing surface as the sacs soften. Color, shape, size, and membrane condition all matter.
The roe cannot simply be left in a warm room. Rapid or uneven thawing could weaken the membrane and release the eggs before production even begins. Instead, the frozen sacs enter a refrigerated thawing area where temperature and time are carefully controlled. The ice disappears slowly while the roe remains cold. Workers examine the changing surface as the sacs soften. Color, shape, size, and membrane condition all matter. Intact pieces can become premium whole Myeongnan. Torn or irregular pieces must be separated before they reach the main line. Even the placement of each sac requires care. The roe is never dropped or piled too deeply. Its own weight could crush the pieces underneath. Once the center has thawed evenly, the trays leave the cold room. The product is now soft enough to clean, but still firm enough to survive the most delicate stage of the process.
Cleaning Pollock Roe is not like washing a solid piece of fish. Each sac contains a soft mass of eggs protected by a membrane thinner than it first appears.
Cleaning Pollock Roe is not like washing a solid piece of fish. Each sac contains a soft mass of eggs protected by a membrane thinner than it first appears. A powerful jet could tear it instantly. The factory therefore uses cold water or a mild, chilled salt solution delivered with controlled pressure. Blood, loose tissue, and small particles drift away while the roe remains supported in shallow baskets. After washing, the most detailed work is still done by hand. Under bright inspection lights, trained workers remove dark veins and unwanted tissue with small scissors or forceps. Every movement is short and precise. The goal is not to reshape the roe. The goal is to preserve its natural form. Clean pieces pass forward while damaged pieces leave the premium line. Only after this close inspection can the intact roe enter the curing stage that creates Myeongnan's characteristic taste and texture.
Indeed. The clean sacs are lowered into the solution in shallow baskets. Perforated covers keep them beneath the surface.
Now the flavor begins to change. Salt is mixed into chilled water inside large stainless steel tanks. Depending on the producer and the style of Myeongnan, the curing liquid may also contain sugar, rice wine, or mild seasoning ingredients. The exact formula is closely controlled because the roe absorbs flavor quickly. Too little salt may leave the product unstable. Too much can make the eggs hard and harsh. The cleaned sacs are lowered into the solution in shallow baskets. Perforated covers keep them beneath the surface without applying heavy pressure. Salt begins drawing out moisture while moving into the roe. The sacs gradually become firmer and more resilient. Temperature remains low throughout the process. Pumps circulate the liquid gently so every basket receives an even cure. What entered the tank as soft raw roe will emerge with a cleaner taste, tighter structure, and the foundation of the finished product.
When the curing cycle ends, the roe cannot move directly to seasoning. Its surface is still covered with liquid, and the salt must first become evenly distributed.
When the curing cycle ends, the roe cannot move directly to seasoning. Its surface is still covered with liquid, and the salt must first become evenly distributed. The baskets rise slowly from the tanks. Clear brine streams through the perforations as the sacs settle onto draining trays. The change is subtle but important. The roe is now firmer. Its surface looks smoother, and each sac holds its shape more easily. Workers rinse away excess brine when required, then inspect the pieces again. A membrane that survived washing may still split during curing, so every batch is checked before maturation. The selected roe enters a cold resting room. Here, time performs work that no fast machine can replace. Moisture continues to balance. Salt moves toward the center. The flavor becomes more even. Only after this controlled rest is the roe ready for the seasoning that gives Korean Myeongnan its most recognizable appearance.
In the seasoning room, fine Korean chili flakes are blended with liquid ingredients until the mixture becomes smooth enough to coat the roe evenly.
Myeongnan does not have only one flavor. Some products remain pale and lightly seasoned, allowing the natural taste of Pollock Roe to lead. Others receive the vivid red coating most people recognize. In the seasoning room, fine Korean chili flakes are blended with liquid ingredients until the mixture becomes smooth enough to coat the roe evenly. Garlic, sugar, rice syrup, or other savory ingredients may be added according to the factory's recipe. But the seasoning cannot be applied with violent mixing. The cured sacs are still delicate. Workers spread them across shallow pans or use gentle, low-speed equipment that turns the roe without crushing it. Red seasoning moves across every fold of the membrane. Excess mixture drains away, leaving a thin, glossy layer. Slowly, the pale, cured roe transforms into bright orange-red Myeongnan. The product finally begins to look familiar, but its flavor still needs time to settle.
During this stage, quality teams collect samples. They check temperature, weight, salt balance, aroma, appearance, and texture.
Fresh seasoning sits mainly on the surface. To become part of the product, it needs another controlled rest. Trays of coated roe return to a refrigerated room where the color deepens and the flavors move through the membrane. The factory may hold different batches for different times, depending on salt level, roe size, and recipe. During this stage, quality teams collect samples. They check temperature, weight, salt balance, aroma, appearance, and texture. Selected samples also enter laboratory testing before a batch is released. The inspection is strict because Myeongnan is normally sold ready to eat or with only light cooking. A roe sac must be attractive, but appearance alone is not enough. It must remain properly chilled and meet the factory's safety limits. When the batch is approved, the trays leave maturation. The seasoning has settled, the texture is firm, and mass portioning can finally begin.
Packaging begins with one more act of selection. Premium whole sacs are separated by size, so each tray has a balanced appearance and predictable weight.
Packaging begins with one more act of selection. Premium whole sacs are separated by size, so each tray has a balanced appearance and predictable weight. Workers lift the roe with broad tools or gloved hands, supporting the membrane from below. Some packs contain one large pair, others contain several smaller pieces. Automated scales confirm the amount before the tray moves forward. The placement is not random. Each sac is turned so the smooth surface faces upward and the narrow ends follow the same direction. This creates the clean arrangement seen in Korean stores. Small corrections are still made by hand because natural roe never has a perfectly identical shape. Once the target weight and arrangement are correct, filled trays enter the sealing line. From this point, the exposed product has only seconds before a barrier film closes above it and protects the delicate surface from the outside environment.
The sealing system removes the final open path between the roe and the factory air. A clear film is drawn across each tray and pressed against the rim with controlled heat.
The sealing system removes the final open path between the roe and the factory air. A clear film is drawn across each tray and pressed against the rim with controlled heat. Some products use vacuum packaging, while others receive a modified internal atmosphere chosen for the package and storage method. The important result is a secure seal that protects moisture and reduces exposure. Cameras inspect the edges. A weak seal, folded film, or trapped piece of roe causes automatic rejection. Approved trays pass through a metal detector and another weight check. The packages are then chilled or frozen according to the product style. Labels and outer sleeves are added only after the food is safely enclosed. Finished units enter cartons, and cartons build into pallets. The fragile roe that once had to be lifted by hand can now move through storage and distribution without direct contact.
The transformation is complete. Frozen Pollock Roe entered the factory pale, rigid, and covered with ice. It was thawed.
The transformation is complete. Frozen Pollock Roe entered the factory pale, rigid, and covered with ice. It was thawed slowly, washed gently, trimmed by hand, cured in cold brine, drained, matured, seasoned, inspected, portioned, and sealed. Every stage protected the same thin membrane that held the eggs together from the beginning. Now the finished packages leave cold storage ready for shops, restaurants, and home kitchens. Inside each pack, the roe remains soft but structured. When cut open, the membrane releases a dense field of tiny eggs with a salty, savory flavor. Myeongnan may be served over hot rice, folded into eggs, added to soup, grilled, or mixed into creamy pasta. But before any of those dishes can exist, the factory must complete this careful balance of cold, salt, time, and pressure. A delicate part of one fish has become a polished Korean delicacy produced at remarkable scale.